Hello and welcome to Super Northwest. In this episode I've come down to Event City in Manchester to have a look at the motorcycle show, the Motorcycle Show North. Let's go and take a look.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
Because of the cancellations of the 2020 and 2021 show due to the pandemic, it was nice to see the organisers put it all back together. And it was great to see the biking community out and back doing what we all love. Now almost 100 companies turned out to make it happen. These included clothing, helmets, tools and accessory manufacturers, with all the stands and the bargains were there to be had. Now at various times throughout the day, we had a fine display from 3-time World Trails Champion, Steve Colley. Now Steve's built his own mobile stunt display unit, and I believe he can set this up in only 10 minutes. Now throughout the show, we were treated to a range of freestyle tricks and spectacular stunts, including jumping over an almost vertical 7-foot step and bunny up on his motorcycle with only one wheel fitted onto the top of his trailer. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel, so please check him out. So unfortunately, BMW, Honda and I think Triumph have pulled out of this year's show. It's probably got something to do with the COVID thing. But there's still a hell of a lot of bikes on show here now. We've just had a look at the BENELLI stand, and some of their bikes are really cheap for what you get. You get loads of extras with them and stuff like that. Kind of quirky styling to them as well, so quite like them.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you like my short films, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.